This unprecedented pandemic has brought many new developments in everybody's life. Some we have experienced good, some we have experienced bad. And now when we are proceeding towards the fifth phase of unlocking procedures, things are coming back to the new normal. Schools are yet to open. Parents nationwide are struggling with this new burden of collaborating with the teachers in teaching their own wards. It is falling heavily on the mothers and they are finding it difficult to cope up with this new normal. This is the time when we need to take care of the mental well-being of mothers. Hello all the mothers, this is Sumita Paul, educationist and principal in St. Stephen's School, Virati, and this is the right platform for all the mothers to take care of their mental well-being and to take care of their own individuality. In this video, I am going to share 5 tips on how to do good parenting. Well, raising a healthy and happy child is one of the most challenging job of a parent, and it is also one of the most rewarding. Good parenting fosters empathy, self-control, kindness, cooperation and cheerfulness. It also promotes intellectual curiosity, motivation and empowers the children to fight with anxiety and depression. Please remember, while structuring the day, do not go overboard, and your authority should be influenced by wisdom and not by your power, which will bring results in your children and you will face less challenges. Tip number 2. Explain the rules and decisions very clearly. Manage your child's behavior when he is young. Train him and guide him. Put across your expectation and goals subtly and be consistent with it. Dear mothers, children do not have priorities, judgment or decision making. So in this aspect, parents need to intervene and help their children in making the goals. Refrain from micromanaging your child. Most importantly, allow your child to participate in rule making so that you can have the win-win situation and face less challenges. Tip number 3. Foster child's independence. Now, setting some limits on your child will enable him to have a self-control on his life, and this will also put a check on his emotions. Now he will learn where to put a check on his emotions, and then encouraging also independence in your child will enable him to have a proper self-direction. Now, to become a successful person in life, your child needs both the qualities. So empower your child with both these qualities. Mothers, remember, children enjoys autonomy. So allow them some time to have this autonomy. Tip number 4. Be involved in your child's life. Now, parents, this is a very important aspect, and you need to revamp your priorities and do little bit of hard work. Now, dear parents, when I am saying to be involved in your child life, doesn't mean that you will do the homeworks or the study part, but it is beyond that. You have to get involved in shaping the interest, the hobbies of your child, nurturing new ideas, playing with them, doing storytelling with them, ideas with them, and doing age appropriate involvement with them. And you can, by doing this, you can have strong bonding with your child and you will have a blissful process. Tip number 5. Treat your child with respect. Now the best way to get respectful treatment from your child is to treat your child respectfully and show the same amount of courtesy which you would be showing to others. Speak politely, take their opinions and validate it. Children treat others the same way their parents treat them. Now you have to remember this point very clearly, and also you have to remember your relationship with your child is the foundation for your child to have a relationship with others. Dear all, I hope you have liked this video. I am signing off for today. Till we meet next time. Till that time, do take care of yourself, mothers, and take care of your mental well-being. I am Sumita Paul saying goodbye.